question comes up, what is sterile processing? Now, sterile processing is the field of, we have the general book, description of what our website says and what the industry says. Basically, what it is a nutshell. It is the department in charge of collecting patient care equipment and surgical instrumentation, preparing it by cleaning, disinfecting, assembling it, packaging, sterilizing, and then maintaining that sterility until it is needed, and then sends it out to the user departments, and then the user departments send it back to us and we start all over again. Know this, that in my opinion, this is the most important department in the hospital by far. More important than nursing, more important than the surgeons, at least while we're doing our job at the time. And the reason being is those other departments, those other types of employees and workers in the hospital can't do their job until we do ours first. Everything stops if our department shuts down. The hospital cannot function without us, period. They can function without an x-ray department. They can always get an outside machine, send people elsewhere. They can't function without us.